WhatsApp is getting more interested day by day by different features, most especially the new features that was introduced on WhatsApp, which has to do with WhatsApp channel. How you can create WhatsApp channel, what are the things you can do with WhatsApp channel. Consider to watch this video from beginning to the end. I'm going to show you step by step on how to create WhatsApp channel and what are the things you can do on WhatsApp channel. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. If you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and explore the new WhatsApp channel that's what introduced by WhatsApp. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Google Play Store. If you are using Android phone, you have to go to your Play Store. Then the store is going to load up like this. Make sure you type in WhatsApp. So WhatsApp right here, what you need to do right here is to make sure you click on update if your WhatsApp is not updated. So it is advisable you update the WhatsApp. So by doing updates, you'll be able to see the new WhatsApp channel feature. So let's check it out. After a successful download and install new WhatsApp update, what you need to do next is to click on open right here. So by the time you open, then you can see from the top right here, we have updates right here instead of status. So what you need to do next is to click on updates right here. Then clicking on updates, you'll be able to see a lot of channels right here, just like what you see right here. These are channels and these are celebrity that you can follow by default. Now you want to search for channel. What you want to do is to make sure you click on find channel right here. Okay, click on find channel. So on clicking on find channel, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on agree and continue. Then you are going to be enter into channel right here. So these are the people that you can follow right here. So for you to just follow any of this particular channel page right here, what you need to do is to make sure for instance, you want to follow this person right here, Kurt Abiola. So what you need to do is to click on the plus sign right here. Then you have successfully followed this particular person. Then what are the things you can do with your WhatsApp channel? One of the things is that you can get popular stuff, you can get news, you can get gist, you can get celebrity gossip, etc. This depends on exactly what you want to do with your WhatsApp channel. Okay, there are a lot of things you can do as far as what you can scroll down and see more people on the channel, and better still, you can also come to the top right here, make use of search engine right here and type a new channel that you are looking for. Then you are going to see a variety. Then you are going to see a variety result each time you are searching for a channel. Okay, so you can also swipe this way and you can change country. What you need to do to change country is to click on here, and by default, I'm in Nigeria. This is where you have everything here in Nigeria. If you want to search for other country, you can just scroll up and down and select any country of your choice. So each time you select whatever, let's say for instance, I want to choose another country. Let's say I want to choose United States. Then you can see people from United States. You can easily join their channel. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let's go back home. So right here from the home page, you can see the channel as just joined right here. So if you want to view the channel, just tap on the channel name. Then you are going to see update from this particular channel, just like what you see right here. So this is current trending in Nigeria as far as mobile is concerned. So that is where you see this particular update. So this is the owner of the channel right here, the Kurt Abiola. So if you want to write something into your status, for you to do that, just click on this pencil icon right here, and then you can type in whatever you want to put in your channel status. And if you want to create a new WhatsApp channel, what you need to do is that you just click on the plus sign right here. You click on this plus sign. Having clicked on this plus sign, you can see the two options which has to do with create a channel. The second option here has to do with find channel. So in this regard, we're trying to create a new channel. So I'm going to click on create channel right here. Having clicked on create channel, it takes you right here. Then you can just click on continue. From the point here, click on continue. Then right here, write your channel name. So you can name it whatever you like. So I'm naming it my name, Rafi Yakub. Then once you name your channel, next thing you want to do is to click on type in the description of your channel, and you can come to the top right here, add channel icon. Okay. So finally, you come down below here and click on create channel right here. You click on create channel. Boom, it's as simple as that. So you can see the channel has been successfully created, which simplify I have 0 follower. This is because it is a new channel. So for you to explore your channel, what you need to do is to just tap on your channel name. Then from there, you can edit whatever you want to edit. You can get a share link of your channel right here. Click on invite link. So when you click on invite link, you're going to get to your WhatsApp channel link right here. So you can share the link with anybody. And this link here is going to be used for people to join your channel. You can also click on here to copy the link. You can use this icon to share the link. You can also share it on WhatsApp. You can share this link on your WhatsApp status. So each time people click on the link, it will automatically take them to your WhatsApp channel. And then from there, you can be able to advertise your business and do whatever you want to do as far as your channel is concerned. Then you want to edit some of the information right here. Just tap on these 3 dots right here. And when you tap on the 3 dots, this is going to pump up edit. Click on edit, and then you can rename your group, your channel name. You can also edit your channel description. So this is what I have for you as far as new updates on WhatsApp is concerned, which has to do with WhatsApp channel step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video and you really enjoying this new update on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.